Hello dear students, in today's session we will learn about ascending and descending order. Before we start in this session, I will explain how we can do the exercise 1.5. I hope that all of you finish this exercise. So all of you please check your answers with this and I will explain how we are getting these answers too. Okay, the same image I will be shared on Google Classroom too. Okay, so exercise 1.5, filling the blank boxes using greater than or less than signs. Okay, we need to fill these boxes with using greater than or less than signs. Okay, so you can see that here two numbers are given there. Okay, so we need to compare these two numbers. Okay, we need to compare these two numbers. After that we need to put a greater than or less than sign on here. Okay, so when you start this comparison, first we need to compare the number of digits in each number. Okay, here you can see that this is a 4-digit number and this is also what, a 4-digit number. Okay, so this is the first step we need to compare. Okay, number of digits in each number. Okay, so after that you need to go to the left extreme. So here these two numbers having 4 digits. So if any number, if the numbers you are having here is different in digits, that means here is a 3-digit number and here it is a 4-digit number, means a 4-digit number always greater than a 3-digit number. Understand? But here the thing is that here both are what, 4-digit numbers. So that we need to go to the left extreme to compare the number. So here you can see that 1 is on the left extreme. Here what, 2 is on the left extreme. Understand? So here 1 and here 2 is on the left extreme. So 2 is greater than the 1. So that means this number is greater than this number. So greater than sign, you know, this we will put a sign like this one. This is greater, this less, greater than this one. Okay, so go to the next number. You can see that this both are 4-digit numbers. Okay, go to the left extreme. You can see that both here is 1. Okay, so we cannot make a conclusion here. Then go to the next number. Here 9, here also 9. Then again we need to go to the next number, that is here 9. Again here what, third number is also 9. Again we need to go to the last place, that is the right extreme. Here 1 and here it is 9. So that this number is greater than this one. That means 1991 and 1991 and 1999. So 1999 is greater than 1991. By looking also you can make a conclusion here. If you have any difficulty, then you use the rules for comparison. That means compare the digits. After that you go to the left extreme, then slowly go to the next digits to compare this number. Like that third one in this third one you can see that this is a 4-digit number and this is what, a 3-digit number. Understand? This number of digits, first we need to check the number of digits. After that only go to the left extreme, like that. Okay, here it is a 6291. It's a 4-digit number. This is what, a 3-digit number. So a 4-digit number is greater than always 3-digit number. Understand? From here you can make a conclusion that this 629 is greater than 734. That means 6291 is greater than 734. This is a 3-digit number. This is a 4-digit number. Understand? This is our first rules for comparison. Understand? Don't go for left extreme to find the answer for here, because here 7 and here is 6. So that see, this number is greater, like that. If you write, means that is a wrong answer. First you have to compare the number of digits. Understand? After that only compare the what, if the number of digits is same, only you go to the left extreme to compare the numbers. Like that you have to complete this exercise. I think this is enough for you to understand these things. Okay, and I'm going to the next one. Circle the largest number. Largest number you need to find out the same way. Largest number means here you can see sets of series is given there. Here you can see that all the numbers having 4 digits. All these numbers having 4 digits. Okay, then you can see that what is the left extreme. Left extreme of all numbers is what, 4. Understand? All these numbers is 4. Then what you have to do, you cannot make a conclusion here. Then you have to go to the next place. 6 on the next place. Here also 6, here also 6, here it is what, 1. So this is not the largest number. Okay, then here also 6. Understand? Now you have to compare these 3 numbers. Now here both places 6. Okay, 4 and 6. Then go to the next place. Here 3, here 8, here 2, here what, 1. Understand? Here this number you can avoid because this is the smallest number. Okay, because this place it is only 1 here, all other number having 6. Okay, so in third place this number is 8, here 3, here 6, here 1. That means this is the largest number. Okay, like that way you have to do this exercise. Understand? Here also this you can see that all these numbers having 4 digits, and on the left extreme this is all these numbers is 6, and next number, that means after this it is 3, here 9, here 3 again, here 1, and here 0. That means 9 comes here, means this is the largest number. That's why you have to find the answers for this question. Okay, circle the largest number, and next one is circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number means we need to find out which is the smallest among these numbers. You can see that it's very easy one, this first question. You can see that these all are 4 digit numbers. Then go to the left extreme, here 7, here 9, here 6, here 7, again 8 here. Okay, so 6 comes on here, means this is the smallest number. Understand? Like that way you have to complete this all the exercise. I hope that all of you finish this your exercise and check this answers with your answer. Okay, now we go to the our next portion, that is ascending and descending order. This is one of the easiest one. Okay, ascending means simply what, arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Small to big is called ascending. Understand? Smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Understand? If you are getting a sets of number, you need to arrange these numbers from small to big. Okay, that is called ascending. Okay, arrange the numbers 4678, 3921, 4588, 3102 in ascending order. That is this question. How when we are arranging, we need to first find out which is the smallest one. Okay, this is, you can see that here how to find out. This is first, these all are 4 digit numbers. Okay, then what we have to do next one, here the left extreme, here 4, here 3, here 4, here 3. Okay, so we need to find out what which is smallest. So here you can see that this left extreme of these two numbers is 4, and these two numbers is 3. So this 2 is not the smallest one. So take 3921 and 3102. Okay, so these two numbers, the left extreme is 3, then take the next digit, that is here 9, and here what, 1. So this is the smallest among these numbers. So this is the smallest one, and which one comes next one, this both are 3 on the left extreme. So after this number will come. Okay, 3921. So we write this number. Okay, then which number will come next? You can see that here these two numbers remaining. Okay, among this one 4 is on the left extreme, and next digit is here 5, and here is 6. So next is smallest is which one? 4580. So it will come next one, and after finally we will get 4678. So we need to arrange this one from small to big. Okay, that like that way we need to arrange. That is called ascending order. Okay, then go to the next one, arranging numbers from biggest to small. Okay, opposite of that one, descending means decreasing order. Okay, descending order. Okay, so from big to small we need to arrange. So for example, arrange the numbers, the given numbers in descending order. Okay, so you get a sets of numbers like this. 4 numbers are given there, so we need to find out which one is biggest among this one. So we can compare the number of digits. You can see that all these numbers having 4 digits. Then go to the left extreme of this number. You can see that here 6, here 6, here 2, and here is also 6. So this is not the biggest one. Okay, then compare these 3 numbers. You can see that here 6, here 6, all this having 6 on the left extreme. Then go to the next place. You can see that here 2, here is 1, and here is 3. That means this is the biggest number. Okay, so first position for this one. Understand? Then go to the comparing other numbers. You can see that this both numbers having 6 on the left extreme. Then go to the next place. You can see that here 2, here is 1. So next our number is which one? 6218. After that which one will come? 618, and this is the smallest among these numbers. So finally we will reach on 2168. So we need to compare. So we need to write these numbers like this way, when the descending order of the numbers will be it. Okay, so this is the descending order of this given number. So what you have to do it is, you need to do exercise 1.6 on your textbook, that is arrange in ascending order and also in a descending order. Okay, the 2 questions are given there, arrange in descending order and arrange in ascending order. Okay, so you need to finish these essays. After you finish, I will share the answers on Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.